Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end, hit the bell icon, um, all that kind of stuff. Really do appreciate it. Today I want to talk about another MELD partnership. So excited about MELD. Um, if you're not part of the MELD stake pool, you still have time to get into the MELD stake pool, stake your Cardano, and pick yourself up some MELD. Um, this is Meld's just really excited about Meld. But this is Netvrk, a new partnership with Meld. Netvrk is a metaverse. Let's see, we are super excited. We are super excited to join forces with Netvrk. Netvrk is a metaverse with powerful creation tools and infrastructures to easily create, share, experience, and monetize creations, with focus on gaming, education, and virtual workplace, built around ownership of virtual land and assets. This is really where it's going. Metaverse, you're going to have an online mall. Amazon's going to be like an online mall. Um, and this they're focusing, of course, the gaming aspect. Um, Netvark kind of reminds me of what's that game? No Man's Sky. It kind of reminds me a little bit of No Man's Sky. It's like kind of like a Minecraft building deal with halfway decent graphics. But what interests me is they're introducing education. We're going to have education, virtual workplaces. There's going to be businesses. You're going to be able to own some land yourself. Um, Really, I see a day when you basically get paid to go to school. You're going to get some kind of token for doing well in school, and which is the way it should be. The better you do, this is really the would be the way to advance society as a whole, is to have some kind of financial gain for doing well in things like school. This is really the way to advance society. So anyway, so this is a good partnership. This is a metaverse. You can be able to buy some land, NFTs, ad spaces. There's a way to advertise. Just going on down here, we see the metaverse as being a staple in the future of human experience, with so many unique interactions to be discovered and utilized, such as e-commerce, NFTs, their attachment to real-world assets, banking, DeFi services, art, entertainment, and so much more. This is the beginning of a long and fruitful partnership with many further metaverse crypto integrations to come. So, what interests me in this is their connection to real-world assets. Um, Pretty soon, all of you're going to be tokenized. Your real world assets are going to be tokenized. Um, this is kind of like a game world, but I see it, as everything you own is eventually going to be tokenized. Um, some people look at this as a bad thing, right? I don't necessarily see it as a bad thing. It can be good, it can be bad. Um, but this can also prove ownership. This can be a set in stone proof of ownership if we set it up right, if we do things right. It's just like the internet. It can be used for good, it can be used for evil, right? If you believe in such things. People can do bad things with it, people can do good things with it. So, and by silencing the voice of good, if you feel like the bad stuff might be, you think cryptocurrency is evil, or you think bad stuff can be done with it, then it's your job to make sure that you have a part in it and a say in what actually happens with it. If you silence yourself by separating yourself from cryptocurrency or the metaverse or documenting properties, or even tokenizing yourself. If you silence your own voice in it, then other people will make decisions for you. So it's important that everybody that has it, I mean, this is the way it's going. This is where it's going. So it's important that um, everybody puts their voice in. So you can't complain if you don't say anything, right? So if you don't make your voice known, um, and it's not going to be stopped at this point. So um, whatever form it takes, that's the only question left. So is what form it's going to take. Anyway, okay, so MELD is going to have a plot of land. Um, we're going to be building MELD a HQ, their headquarters, and are working with some metaverse architects currently to implement the most badass HQ with effects. Anyway, they're just going to they're building their HQ, right? MELD's going to have their HQ there. You're going to be able to go there, interact with MELD tokens, interact with the exchanges and all that kind of stuff in the metaverse. Um, MELD's getting a yacht and all this kind of stuff. It's going to be cool. I'll let you read this. Anyway, so I want to take a quick look at Netvrk's website here. We've got some um, things you can look on here. They have like staking. So their staking pools are full right now. There's a lockup period. Like this one's 750 days with a 60% APY. Some things to look at. Here's partnerships. Got Bondly over here. Some decent partnerships down. Let you look through this. Lots of partnerships. Like to see partnerships, right? Partnerships keep you in line. So anyway, so there's some partnerships. There's some videos on this website for you to look at. It'll tell you a little bit about it. The best way to find out how to buy into the project is through their Discord channel. You can join their Discord through their website. I'll leave a link to their website. This shows you can't really see it. It's not real large, but this shows you how their land is divided so far. We've got an adult area. So this is going to be self-explanatory on that one. Whether you like that or not, that's big business, right? Adult area. Um, so we'll see how that works out. We'll see how adult it is or not. We've got our business district, got an education district, creative district, entertainment district. Um, so that's real interesting. Um, this is pre-buy-ins, these early buy-ins, mega bonus pack, NFTs, 1,000 if their NTVRK is their token for 1,000 tokens. You can get unlimited daily resources to build with, boosted earnings on ad and referrals, free enrollment in their Netvrk NFT lottery, discounts on Netvrk's featured NFTs. Here's a little bit of information on their land about plot sizes, prices, um, some stuff there you might want to look at on their Discord channel. Let's see what else we have. Their price right now is, well, on CoinMarketCap, it's sitting about 225. It's about 218 on my charts. Some stuff to look at. Um, it was just here released on the 13th of October. We went up to a 370, 337. So a couple things to look at. We've kind of have this triangle pattern forming here. The area capitulation is right along. We're sitting right below the area capitulation to the downside. So I think we're going to have another downturn in this. We're sitting about 218. The thing that I'm watching, if you're trading tokens, the thing that I'm watching is this downward trend line on the relative strength. If we can see a break of the downward trend line on the relative strength, I would think that we would probably be able to break the top of this triangle. So if we can get up above this downward trend, then I believe we can get above this triangle. If not, we'll see some more downside to this. Um, Around 206. is the bottom of our triangle. If we fall through that, we don't have enough history. I don't really have enough history to tell too much. If we fall through the bottom of the triangle, mm, probably right around this 190 area, it would be my target. Um, but who knows at this point because there's not a lot of history on that. So anyway, whether this one's going to be the one that makes it or not, it's like early internet. Whether this is with all the competitors and stuff, I believe we're going to have some kind of form of this. I like to see the partnership with MELD, um, and so this, I think the percentage is higher on this one than some of the other ones. Um, well, just depending on what they do. You never know what's going to happen, but I think this is where things are going, and I'm excited about it. And this is a project you might want to look at. So I'm looking at it, and I think you might want to look at it too. So if you want to take a peek at it. Anyway, thanks for joining me again, and like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. Y'all are beautiful. I will see you next time.